Now, on a day when the Congress party came together this afternoon to remember India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, marking his 125th birth anniversary, which falls tomorrow, the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi has targeted Prime Minister Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, well, accusing the BJP leader of only indulging in photo ops, reducing that Clean India campaign to mere photo ops in the name of cleaning up the country. Rahul Gandhi said that they're the ones who are actually sowing the seeds of breaking the unity of the country. The BJP was quick to react, saying like Rahul's life is an epitome of photo ops, where he jumped from one event to another.
ये देश हमारा घर है। एक तरफ घर की पुताई हो रही है, भैया सड़कों को साफ करो, सड़कों को साफ करो, फोटो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है, सब लोग सड़क साफ कर रहे हैं, और दूसरी तरफ जहर फैलाया जा रहा है, नींव कमजोर की जा रही है। और इनके खिलाफ एक ही संगठन लड़ सकता है, सिर्फ आप लोग लड़ सकते हो, सिर्फ कांग्रेस पार्टी लड़ सकती है।
Well, multiple political reactions there coming in on that front, including that retort by the BJP spokesperson there. Let's get a view from the Aam Aadmi Party here as well. Mr. Somnath Bharti with us on the phone line. Thanks for being with us, sir. In your view, given the fact that former Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's 125th birth anniversary, celebrations of that being used as a platform to mock the government's Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, to mock Prime Minister Modi's attempt there to clean up India?
See, nobody needs to mock any plan of Mr. Modi to clean India. The initiative started right from Delhi Pradesh Bhajpa Adhyaksh Mr. Satish Upadhyay, who did this whole mockery. In fact, he exposed BJP to the hilt. He exposed this whole fraud, whole facade. This Swachhta Abhiyan, I always wonder, right under the nose of Honorable Prime Minister, there is an organization called MCD. Now, MCD is governed by BJP for the last 7-8 years. What are they doing for Delhi? The sanitation was exclusively the domain of MCD. They have made Delhi a hell. Why can't they ensure the staffs of MCD who are into sanitation, they clean Delhi to the hill? The whole dramabazi started by BJP was basically to show that they have the concern, but they have no concern.
So you are in agreement of the Congress Vice President's view there that this is being used as photo opportunity and no sincerity there in cleaning up India?
To this extent, I agree with Mr. Gandhi. But what I'm saying, Mr. Gandhi is no less a photo opportunist. All right? Both these parties, BJP and Congress, both have basically sown India in poor light. Both have failed to perform what they were supposed to perform. Both have looted the nation. Both have exploited the whole system for their own personal benefits. Neither Congress nor BJP can ever be solution to any problem which India or Delhi faces.
All right.
Delhi election is the one which will show Congress.
Okay. Stay with us, Mr. Bharti, if you can. Let's take in a reaction there from the BJP as well. Ms. Shaina NC with us over the phone line. Thanks for being with us, Shaina. In your view, the fact that this was used as a platform to mock your government's efforts in the Clean India campaign?
I think the Congress should focus on what they want to do in this country as an opposition. If they have a vision plan, probably that is something that Mr. Rahul Gandhi could have highlighted. Obviously, he doesn't. So when he resorts to such petty, cheap politics by saying that, this is not a cleanup, but it's spreading poison in the country, these are only commentaries that can be appreciated by his own cadre, who are nothing but his sycophants. If he finds a fault with the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, I think that's very unfortunate, because it's an all-inclusive project. It is a project to include every Indian. And this kind of commentary is not expected of a mature leader.
But Ms. Shaina, what about the occasion that is being reduced to politics there, petty politics between the Congress and the BJP, the larger occasion there of marking 125th birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister of India?
Absolutely, and he's not just the Prime Minister of the Congress Party. He was the Prime Minister of the entire country. And his love for children is something which has always been a tribute, and the BJP has always set a befitting tribute, whether it's a movement of clean up today for a few days with children all across the country, etc. So I don't think we would want to trivialize it. I think first let the Congress come to terms with the point that Narendra Modi ji happens to be the Prime Minister of this country and not just the
All
BJP.
right.
And his acceptability is not something that we would want a certificate from the Congress.
All right, the ownership of icons that we've been seeing playing out between the Congress and the BJP. Thanks for your views there, Shaina NC, as well as AAP leader Somnath Bharti. Political reactions just don't end there. Some more that are coming in from Shahnawaz Hussain and Digvijay Singh.
राहुल गांधी बोलते हुए मोदी जी का विरोध करते करते हिंदी विरोध पर भी उतर आए। मोदी जी जिस चीज से प्रेम करेंगे उससे कांग्रेस के नेता नफरत करेंगे। मोदी जी अगर हिंदी से प्रेम करते हैं, इस देश से प्रेम करते हैं और नफरत वो करते हैं तो भ्रष्टाचार से, नफरत वो करते हैं तो बेरोजगारी से और जो असमानता है उससे, लेकिन विरोध करते करते राहुल जी ने हिंदी का ही विरोध कर डाला है और जो असमानता है उससे, लेकिन विरोध करते करते राहुल जी ने हिंदी का ही विरोध कर डाला है।
This country got its freedom from the commitment of the people led by Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Abul Kalam Azad, and hundreds and thousands of political workers who got us the freedom. And now we have to carry on the task of nation building, the foundations of which was laid by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.